everyone! We got our package from Amazon. I ordered some accessories and now I'm unboxing them. Hi everyone! We're at Sushi Japanese cuisine restaurant, and we're having all-you-can-eat sushi for lunch today. Lucas will now try the miso soup. I think he likes it. From Amazon. I ordered some accessories and now I'm unboxing them. Let's see if we got everything they said we were going to get. So what I ordered is some memory micro SD card, the 32 gigabytes, so that came, and also the main thing, which is the accessories for the GoPro that that we bought. We're just gonna open this up. It's supposed to have, I think, like 50 pieces in them. Let's see. It comes with the bag. It's supposed to come with a bag. That's one of the things that I wanted to get. So I had to, like, I made sure the one that I chose had a bag for the GoPro and for the accessories. So when we go out and about, we have a case. This case actually is a lot bigger than I was hoping for. I don't need it to be this big. I don't know if you can tell how big it is, but like my chest wise, it's like covering my shoulders. So that's how big it is. Let's open it. Open the case. It's actually a hard case. It's pretty hard, so hopefully it's pretty durable. And that's all the accessories that it comes with. Oops. I'm gonna show you guys everything one by one. So first of all, it comes with a cloth to clean your accessories and your camera. So I think that's where it came from. Like, that's where we ordered in Amazon. I'm guessing that's the seller. I didn't really check. I just kind of clicked. It also comes with, I think this is the arm. Or the head. Oh, this is the headpiece, where you attach the GoPro and then it goes over your head like that. That's pretty cool. I don't know if we'll be able to try that soon, but hopefully we'll get a chance to. This one. So that's number 3rd item. This is the 4th item. I believe it's like a dock for like a car or something with a suction cup. You suction it, and then some like little pieces. I'm not really sure what they're for, but it comes with these things. It comes with more scrappy things. I guess I'll show you guys when we use them what they are for. More attachments. This one's a big bag. I think this is the one that goes on the chest. Let's open it up. Which is gonna be handy, I think. Oh, it has like really hard plastic for, I guess that's where you attach it. Like that. Where you attach the GoPro in the front. I mean, the quality is not bad for the price that I paid for. It's not expensive at all. Like, this whole thing is like $30 or something like that. Canadian dollars. Because it is Amazon Canada that I ordered from. So, we'll see when we use them, hopefully this weekend. You get a chance to try some of them out, if not all of them. There's a little like clamp thing. There's a Velcro strap, but I'm not sure what that's for. This is like a phone kind of clip, so you can use that. And the main reasons I ordered this thing. Oh, this is some pads. I don't know. I have to Google what to use these things for. These are some of the reasons why I ordered, other than the case. These 3 are the main reasons that I bought this particular package. This one is going to be the water handle, that especially for the kids when they use the GoPro, because this floats on the water, so we don't lose the GoPro. So yeah, hopefully this works really well. It's really light. It's just plastic, and it comes with a strap, so we can, like, you know, make sure it's tight on the kid's arm. It doesn't, you know, fall out when they're using it, swimming and stuff like that. So that's gonna be really, really handy. We're definitely gonna use these things. And then for vlogging with this camera, this phone, I'm going to be using, I already have a selfie stick, but that selfie stick is Bluetooth, so I have to keep like charging it to use the Bluetooth part of it. But this one is just a simple stick. Doesn't have any, like, you know, doesn't have any Bluetooth, so it can get wet if I want, if, you know, by accident or whatever, it's okay. And it comes with a strap also. And the tripod that I wanted, because, you know, the other kinds of tripods, the bendy kinds, are pretty expensive. And this one comes with it. I mean, like, it's not, like, it's not a completely, like, the best kind. Oh, sorry. It's my video. I'm watching YouTube while I'm doing this video. But yeah, so this is like really bendy and it's like foam, so it's really soft and it's really light. So that's gonna be handy for me. See, that's gonna be super handy, and I'm gonna attach this guy on here so I can use my iPhone 8 for vlogging and time lapses and like just random like tripod-y thingy. Yeah, so that's gonna be fun. So that this is one of the reasons why I bought these and this and the case. This one is an added bonus if I don't want to use my other vlogging stick, or if I just want to put the GoPro on a different stick, because the other one's actually really like bulky and long, so, and like the GoPro doesn't really need the Bluetooth part of it, so this one's gonna be really handy. So the other one that I have with Bluetooth, I'm gonna be interchanging with this for my iPhone, and then this and not that, this and this will be for the GoPro. So yeah, that was fun. And then of course I need this for the GoPro, for the memory, 32 gigabytes. We'll see right away, it says 10-year warranty, so that's pretty cool. So I'll see when we do our vlogging, we're gonna be using that GoPro more, and obviously I'm gonna keep using my phone because the quality of the video is actually pretty good on that one, and I didn't want to spend more money on a camera, so we'll just use these for now. What did you guys think of my stuff? Do you think they're gonna be handy for me? I'm gonna use all of them. I don't think I'm gonna use all the little like knickknacks, but it comes with it, so you know, might as well get it. Comment below what you think I will be using the most. If you guys have this particular set, let me know what you think about it, what you like and don't like about it. Yeah, just let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, everything. Okay, bye! Ano yan? Ano yan? Oh, tapos? What happened? Oo. Tapos, nagpe-pray ka? Ano yun? Oo. Ganun ba yun? Hindi ko alam eh. Yeah? Oh, yeah? Eh, ano pa? Ano pa nangyari? Ano pa nangyari? Talaga?